Okay. We want to show you some walking, some moves that Haley has, and she's quite the walker. But Haley, peekaboo.
Come on, Haley.
Mommy's gonna go to the pantry.
Bye-bye.
Haley, can you say Happy Mother's Day? Sound like she said happy.
She did say happy.
She did say happy. Do you want to see Haley fall off her chair? Happy! Did you say happy? Happy Snappy. There she. She's there. She's walking. But we need to. You need to see her walk towards us. Hold the ball up, Tim.
It's not gonna work.
Wait. You hold this camera. I'm gonna go open the pantry. Keep videoing. It's on video.